Merrill Edge Honest Review. Watch before using. Merrill Edge is a popular online brokerage platform from Bank of America that combines low-cost trading with robust research tools, making it an attractive choice for both beginner and experienced investors. One of the standout features is its seamless integration with Bank of America accounts, allowing users to manage their banking and investment portfolios in one place. This convenience is especially valuable for Bank of America customers who want to qualify for preferred rewards, which offers perks like discounted trading fees and higher interest rates on savings. Merrill Edge offers $0 commission on stock and ETF trades, which makes it competitive with other major brokerages. Additionally, it provides access to an extensive library of research and reports from top firms like Morningstar and Lipper, giving investors valuable insights to make informed decisions. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, Merrill Edge Guided Investing is a robo-advisor service that helps manage your portfolio for a fee of 0.45% annually, a bit on the higher side compared to other robo-advisors. However, the platform is not without its downsides. The trading tools, while functional, may feel limited for advanced traders who require more sophisticated charting options or customization. Also, Merrill Edge lacks access to some assets like futures and cryptocurrencies, which might be a drawback for investors looking to diversify into those markets. Merrill Edge is ideal for long-term buy-and-hold investors, especially those who are already Bank of America customers, or anyone looking for quality research without high fees. It's not the best fit for active day traders or those interested in niche markets. If you're looking for a solid, straightforward investment platform with good customer service and low costs, Merrill Edge is worth considering. However, if you need more advanced trading features or want to dabble in crypto, this may not be the platform for you.